Welcome to Ignition Tutorials. In this video, we're going to cover some of the integrations of the Ignition platform. Let's start with communication tools. Today, we integrate with Slack as well as Microsoft Teams. One of the most common use cases for connecting your communication tools is to provide updates on a product launch or roadmap change. So I'll take you through exactly what that might look like in the product. Let's go to our Choco Lemonade beverage line. Let's say we need to provide an update to some of our executive stakeholders and we want to share our launch brief. So we can go into Share Update and share it with people individually, or you also have the ability to send this to a specific Slack channel. You can set it as yourself, as Ignition, schedule it to be sent now or out in the future, as well as you could set this to repeat, maybe if you are obligated to send weekly updates to your stakeholders. Next up are product road mapping tools. Ignition does have its own product road mapping suite, but know that you could also integrate with Jira, Linear, Productboard, Roadmunk, or Shortcut. In the product, that'll come through in your product management section. Here's product roadmap. Here's where your Ignition roadmap or any of those integrations will come through. You can also plug in your development tasks. To stay aligned with your engineering teams here, we are pulling our linear tickets, but it's easy to come in and either turn it on and off projects, import another project from any of the tools that I mentioned, as well as project management software. These are epics, but there's also subtasks underneath. It's all configurable for you. Next up are those project management tools. Ignition is a go-to-market platform that helps with launches and task execution across stakeholders. But if you're a company that already has a project management tool adopted, Ignition plugs right into it. So one example of this would be, let's go back to our Choco Lemonade beverage line. And if you're managing tasks here, we might want to view that. Let's see what upcoming tasks we have. Here's where you can import from ClickUp, Asana, Wrike, those sort of tools. We can capture, of course, the date, the object, the task, the responsible party, all of that. You can import anywhere you'd like, either from a CSV, maybe if you're operating from a spreadsheet, which many people are, Excel or Google Sheets, or the product management or project management tools. Next up, we have our CRM integrations and support. We'll do these together. These are really unique because Ignition is able to plug into these systems, and using AI, we can go through your customer data, whether it be call notes on an opportunity or at a deal on Hubspot or support tickets on Intercom. And what's really interesting is using AI, we could actually identify automatically feature gaps based off your customer conversations that may be blocking revenue. So in this demo account, we have our Hubspot instance connected. I'll show you what it looks like. So when you connect your CRM like Salesforce or Hubspot, or your support system like Intercom, we'll automatically run analysis on all the customer conversation, deal notes, support tickets, and we'll be able to pre-populate your ideas and backlog with what we've identified as revenue blocking feature gaps. You also have the ability to come in and see all these same opportunities. Here's from Hubspot, our Hubspot instance, and we could say, we know that these deals are blocked, so let's attach that. We're able to put a dollar amount on the product ideas and backlog, which is really interesting and easy to promote this directly to your roadmap. These are the primary integrations for Ignition today. Of course, if you have a integration that you'd like requested, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can request directly in the product or email us at support@haveignition.com.